In the last class, we discussed about U2 manometers and its theoretical part. So today we can deal with problem. Okay. So the first problem is the right limb of a simple U2 manometer containing mercury is open to the atmosphere, while the left limb is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity zero point 0.9 is flowing. The center of the pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in the right limb. Find the pressure of fluid in the pipe if the difference of mercury level in two limbs is 20 centimeter. So question is given but figure is not given. So we have to sketch the figure from the given data. Okay, you have to draw the figure from the given data. So let's see. It is given that the right limb of a simple U2 manometer. You see the question, the first sentence. The right limb of a simple U2 manometer containing mercury is open to the atmosphere. So, adin endaka clear I we know that the right limb consists mercury. Okay, the right limb contains mercury. Okay, the right limb contains mercury and it is open to the atmosphere. You can see that it is open to the atmosphere. So, in the right limb, mercury is present and the right limb is open to the atmosphere. Now read the second sentence. While the left limb is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity zero point 0.9 is flowing. The left limb is, you can see the left limb. I have told that there are two limbs, right limb and left limb. The left limb is connected to a point in which liquid of specific gravity zero point 0.9 is flowing. So now you understood that there are two liquids. Okay, there are two liquid. One is mercury and the other one is a light liquid. Okay, there are two liquids. One is mercury and the other one is a light liquid, and mercury is in the right limb. It is open to the atmosphere while the left limb contains a light liquid. Okay, the left limb contains a light liquid and the right limb contains a heavy liquid. The right limb is open to the atmosphere. Okay, then the third line in the question, the center of the pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in the right limb. So, in the center of the pipe means from here. That is, this is the manometer. This YouTube segment ആണ് manometer. And here you can see a pipe. Okay. So, this is the pipe and this U-shaped one is a manometer. So, you can see that from the center of the pipe, it makes 12 centimeter below the level of mercury. Center of the pipe mercury level തമ്മിലുള്ള difference 12 centimeter ആണ്. So, you can see that between the pipe and the mercury level, the length is 12 centimeter. Okay, it is 12 centimeter. Okay, then find the pressure of fluid in the pipe if the difference in mercury level in two limbs is 20 centimeter. Okay, first one given, the difference between the center of the pipe mercury level തമ്മിലുള്ള difference ആണ് 12 centimeter. Okay, center of the pipe mercury level തമ്മിലുള്ള difference ആണ് 20 centimeter. But difference of mercury in the two limbs, left limbiലെയും right limbiലെയും mercuryയുടെ difference, the difference of mercury in the left limb and right limb is 20 centimeter. Okay, so once more, from the question, it is clear that the manometer contains two liquid. One is a heavier liquid and next is a lighter liquid. Then it is told that the lighter liquid is possessing a specific gravity of 0.9, and it is given that in the right limb it contains mercury. In the right limb it contains mercury. Then the difference in levels between the center of the pipe and mercury level. The difference of levels between center of pipe and mercury level is 12 centimeter. Then also it is given that the difference of mercury between two limbs, the difference of mercury between the left limb and right limb is 20 centimeter. That much is the data given, and from the data you have to sketch the figure. In some questions figures will be given, but in some questions figures won't be given. Okay, so you have to sketch the figure from the data in those cases. Now let us write the given data. So S1 is equal to, what is S1? Specific gravity of light liquid which is contained in the left column. So S1 is equal to 0.9. Then what will be rho 1? S1 into 1000. So 0.9 into 1000, that is equal to 900 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. S1 means it is a specific gravity of light liquid. It is given as zero point 0.9. Then what will be rho 1? S1 into 1000. 0.9 into 1000, that is equal to 900 kilogram per meter cube. Then what is S2? S2 means specific gravity of heavier liquid. The heavier liquid given is mercury. So rho 2 will be S2 into 1000, 13.6 into 1000. That much kilogram per meter cube. Now I hope you are clear with S1 and rho 1. Then similarly S2 and rho 2. It is a given data. Okay. Next is you have to find the height of light liquid from AA. Okay. You have to find the height of light liquid from the line, from the datum line AA. Okay. What is the height of light liquid from datum line AA? We are assuming the height of light liquid as H1 and the height of heavy liquid as H2. We are assuming the height of light liquid as H1 and the height of heavy liquid as H2. Then what will be H1? H1 means, H1 എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? It is the height of the light liquid from AA line. That is the height of light liquid from AA line. From AA line, how much it makes towards top region from AA line towards the top. So what happens? The height of liquid from AA line is how much? 20 minus 12 centimeter. നമുക്ക് height of light liquid ആണ് വേണ്ടേ. We need the height of light liquid. So it becomes 20 centimeter minus 12 centimeter. Okay. So it becomes 20 centimeter minus 12 centimeter. That is equal to 8 centimeter. So let's write it in meters because we have to substitute it in meters. It becomes 0.08 meters. Okay. Now, let us assume the pressure in the pipe. That is, inside this pipe, let us assume the pressure as small p, as we do usually. Okay. Now, we have to find H2. What is H2? What will be H2? H2 means it is the height of heavy liquid above the datum line. What is the height of heavy liquid above the datum line? It is given in the question as 20 centimeter. Okay, in the question itself, it is given as 20 centimeter. So substituting in meters, it becomes 0.2 meters. Okay, height of light liquid above datum line is not given directly. So it becomes 20 minus 12 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Next, height of heavy liquid is given in the question directly. That is 20 centimeter. Okay. Height of light liquid എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് height of light liquid above datum line AA is 20 centimeter minus 12 centimeter, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Then height of heavy liquid above datum line is 20 centimeter, which is directly given in the question. Okay. Now, also we are assuming the pressure inside the pipe as P. As we do usually, we are assuming the pressure inside the pipe as P. Now let's equate the pressure. Okay, let's equate the pressure above datum line AA. So what happens? The pressure inside the left limb will be equal to the pressure inside the right limb. So we may write P plus rho 1 GH1 is equal to rho 2 GH2. Okay, P plus rho 1 GH1 is equal to rho 2 GH2. Okay, from that equation, what will be P? P will be rho 2 GH2 minus rho 1 GH1. So let's see. Equating the pressure above AA, P plus rho 1 GH1 is equal to rho 2 GH2. From there, you substitute the values. P is unknown there. Rho 1 is obtained as 900. G, as you know, it is 9.81. H1 is obtained as 0.08 meters. Then rho 2 is 13.6. G is 9.81. H is 0.2. Okay. So this means 13.6 into 1000 makes the rho 1. Okay. 13.6 into 1000 is rho 1. Then 9.81 for G and H2 0.2, which is already given in the question. Then here what is unknown? The only unknown is P. So take LHS towards RHS and you subtract it. Okay, so it becomes 13.6 into 9.81 into 0.2 into 1000 minus of 900 into 9.81 into 0.08. So it becomes 25977 Newton per meter square. The unit of pressure is, SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. That is about the first problem. Okay, this is about the first problem. You should work out this problem and check whether you are obtaining the same answer. Now, let's move to the second problem. Problem 2. A simple U-tube manometer containing mercury is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity 0.8 and having vacuum pressure is flowing. Okay, so it is possessing vacuum pressure. The previous one was a gauge pressure. So having vacuum pressure is flowing. The other end of the manometer is open to the atmosphere. Find the vacuum pressure in pipe if the difference of mercury level in the two limbs is 40 centimeter and the height of liquid in the left from the center of the pipe is 15 centimeter below. So you can see the figure is given. Sometimes the figure will be given. I am reminding you, sometimes figure will be given or else you have to draw the figure from the given data. So now listen. A simple U-tube manometer containing mercury is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity 0.8 and having vacuum pressure is flowing. Okay, so now let's come to the figure. A simple U-tube manometer is connected to a pipe containing mercury. Okay, is connected to a pipe which contains mercury in which a fluid of specific gravity 0.8 is flowing. So we can get an idea that the manometer contains two liquids. Okay, the manometer contains two liquids. One is mercury and the other one possesses a specific gravity 0.8. So once more I am reminding you that the specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. So if some other liquids of specific gravity 0.8 or 0.9 is given with it, മെർക്കുറിയുടെ സ്പെസിഫിക് ഗ്രാവിറ്റി 13.6 ആണ്. സോ മറ്റൊരു ലിക്വിഡ് തരുകയാണ്, ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഹാവിംഗ് സ്പെസിഫിക് ഗ്രാവിറ്റി 0.9, then you should understand that it is a light liquid. Okay, the given one is a light liquid. Okay, you should remind it. Now let's come to the question. So now we can get an idea that the manometer contains two liquid. Okay, the manometer contains two liquid. One is a heavy liquid. Heavy liquid means it is mercury. One is a heavy liquid, that is mercury, and the second one is a light liquid. And it is obtained that it is having vacuum pressure. It is obtained that it is having vacuum pressure. The other end of the manometer is open to the atmosphere. That is, the right limb is open to the atmosphere. Find the vacuum pressure in pipe if the difference of mercury level in the two limbs is 40 centimeter. So, two things are given. One is it is having vacuum pressure. So, since it is having vacuum pressure, you can understand that the right limb is empty. Okay, vacuum pressure ayonde, you can understand that the right limb is empty. You can see the right limb is empty. Okay, because it possesses vacuum pressure. Now, find the vacuum pressure in the pipe if the difference of mercury levels in two limbs is 40 centimeter. Vacuum pressure aannu thannittund. The difference in mercury levels between two limbs is 40 centimeter. So you can draw it. You can draw it easily. That is, it is having vacuum pressure. So it will not contain any liquid above the datum line in right limb. Okay, vacuum pressure ആയതുകൊണ്ട് right ലിംബിന് മേളിലേക്ക് ലിക്വിഡ്സിന്റെ പ്രസൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല inside the right limb. And the difference in mercury level between the two limbs, that is, you can see the difference in mercury level between the two limbs. The difference in mercury level in the right limb and the left limb both contains mercury, and the difference in mercury level between two limbs is 40 centimeter. Left limbiലെയും right limbiലെയും mercuryയുടെ difference ആണ് 40 centimeter. So two main things are given. One is it possesses vacuum pressure. So since it possesses vacuum pressure, it will not contain any liquid in the right limb. Okay, so that is clear. Since it possesses vacuum pressure, it do not contain any liquid in the right limb. And the second data is that the difference in mercury level between both of the limbs is 40 centimeter. So left limbiലെയും right limbiലെയും difference in mercury level will be 40 centimeter. Okay, that is clear about the heavy liquid. Now coming to light liquid, it is given that they possess a specific gravity 0.8. And the height of the fluid in the left from the center of the pipe is 50 centimeter below. So again it is given the light liquid possesses a difference of 15 centimeter. Okay, so mercury level in the difference, mercury level in the left limbiലെയും right limbiലെയും difference 40 centimeter എന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. It consists of two limbs, left limb and right limb, and the difference of mercury between the two limbs is 40 centimeter. That is already given. And considering the light liquid, the height of the liquid in the left limb from the center of the pipe is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter എവിടെ വരെ ആയിരിക്കും? Till the level of mercury. Mercury level മേളിലായിരിക്കും light liquid level, and the difference of light liquid is given as it makes a distance of 15 centimeter from the center of the pipe. സോ മെർക്കുറി ലെവൽ ഓൾറെഡി തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. മെർക്കുറി ലെവൽ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ മെർക്കുറി ലെവലിന്റെ മുകളിലേക്കായിരിക്കും ഓയിൽ ഏത് ലിക്വിഡ് ആണോ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് അതിന്റെ specific gravity വരുന്നത്. Okay, the light liquid occurs above the heavy liquid. Okay, specific gravity is given 0.8. It can be oil or any other liquid. So we do not bother about the liquid. Liquid എന്താണെന്നല്ല bother ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്, but the specific gravity is 0.8. So we know it is a light liquid. Okay, specific gravity 0.8 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് it is a light liquid. And what happens? The light liquid makes a difference of 15 centimeter below the center of the pipe. Center of the pipe കഴിഞ്ഞ് difference of level വരുന്നത് 15 centimeter ആണെന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So what happens? From the center of the pipe to the mercury level, the difference is 15 centimeter. Okay. So from the given data, either in some cases figures will be given, or else you have to draw the figure. So here what is given? It contains two liquids. One is having a specific gravity 0.8, which is a light liquid. And next one is mercury. It is having a specific gravity 13.6. The right limb is open to the atmosphere and it possesses vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure possess ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് the right limb will be empty above the AA line. Okay. Since it possesses vacuum pressure, the right limb will be empty above AA line. Above the datum line, the right limb will be empty. Okay. Datum line മേളിലേക്ക് right limb empty ആയിരിക്കും. കാരണം എന്താ? It possesses vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure possess ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് inside the right limb, it will be empty above the datum line. Then what is given in the question? The difference of mercury level between two limbs is 40 centimeter. So, how many limbs are there? Left limb and right limb. And the difference of mercury level between both of the limbs is 40 centimeter. Okay. Next, what is given? The height of liquid in the left limb, that is a light liquid, from the center of the pipe is 15 centimeter below. That is, from the center of the pipe to the mercury layer, it possesses a difference of 15 centimeter. So you can draw the figure easily. Now here, let's come to the data. What is S1 here? S1 is 0.8. Then what will be rho 1? Rho 1 will be S1 into 1000, 0.8 into 1000, that is 800 kilogram per meter cube. Then what is S2? S2 is the specific gravity of heavier liquid. It is 13.6. Then what will be rho 2? S2 into 1000, that is 13.6 into 1000, that much kilogram per meter cube. Then what is H1? H1 is directly given in the question. H1 is the height of light liquid, which is 15 centimeter. Then what is H2? H2 is the height of heavy liquid, that is 40 centimeter. Now you have to substitute them in meters. So H1 becomes 0.15 meters and H2 is equal to 0.4 meter. Now we have to equate the pressure above datum line AA. So what happens? P plus rho 1 G1 H1 plus rho 2 G2 H2. As you know, in vacuum pressure, have learned it. Okay. P plus rho 1 G1 GH1 plus rho 2 GH2 is equal to the pressure which is present in the right limb. Okay. Or considered in the right limb. So what is the pressure considered in the right limb? It is 0 because it possesses vacuum pressure. So what happens? P is equal to minus of rho 1 G H1 plus rho 2 G H2. So let's substitute the values. You take problem 2. Okay. So you take the course material. Now P is equal to minus of rho 1 GH1 plus rho 2 GH2. So you substitute the values. 800, that is rho 1 into G 9.81 into H1 0.5 plus 13.6 into 1000, that is rho 2 into G 9.81 into H2 is 0.4. So minus of rho 1 GH1 plus rho 2 GH2. So on substituting the values, it will be obtained as 54543.6 Newton per meter square. Please check whether you have obtained the same value. Okay. That is about the problems regarding YouTube manometers. Okay. You learn the theory and then do the problem. You should check whether you are obtaining the same answer. Okay. Thank you all.